Alright, this video is just a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys that this is the HDB 68. I blew the o-ring out of this using 1100 and I replaced it with an HDR 11 joule valve one. So I have new o-rings. I'm just waiting to blow this one out to put them in. Some 90 hard Buna black o-rings. And another buddy junior tried them, and so far he's got his gun back up and running on 1000 psi now, so HPA. But I just want to show you that you can load the Z-RAMs in the side here, or you can muzzle load them down the front. But yeah, I just wanted to try one of these out under 1100 psi, and they're kind of tricky. Okay, I got that one in the breech. I'm gonna shut the door. I'm gonna load one through the muzzle too and try it out. Well, we're using 1100 HPA and 8.5 gram Z-RAMs. If this o-ring doesn't blow out, let's see what happens here. Okay. Turn on the tank. I keep it off. Alrighty, let's give this a shot here. Slide check. Alright, we are gassed. And let's see what happens here. Holy shit. 450 feet per second. Jesus Christ. Now I'm going to load one down in the breech. Actually, I don't have my stick with me. Oh, it's being a pain in the ass getting in. There. Alrighty, let's fire this second one here. For 66 feet per second. Holy fuck. Alright, degas. Go take a look at that little plank there. Okay, the first one went through here, and then it kind of skinned the top. Yeah, so I can't really tell. I mean, it went through both up there. See, it went through here, but that's not a complete test, so I'm going to get new wood and new targets and stuff, and I'm going to do a destruction test. But wow, those Z-RAMs are crazy. They fit the barrel perfect. And the magazine. All the other balls, when you shake the mag, they're loose. Joules and the Grimburg Joules and these HPs, they don't move around at all. They're really snug inside. Anyways, have a good one, guys.